Hello guys, and welcome to another CorelDRAW tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore any missing bars in CorelDRAW. So for example, you could be looking for the toolbars over here. You could be looking for the status bar, the menu bars. You could be looking for any bars in CorelDRAW. So to begin, I'm going to start by taking away some bars. So I'm going to right click over here and deselect the toolbars. And as you can see, the toolbars have automatically gone missing. I'm going to right click and take away the properties bars. I'm going to take away the standard bars. I'm going to take away the status bar, and I'm going to take away the menu bars. So now we do not have any single bars. What if you are in this position where you cannot come over here and right click to bring back the toolbars? This is going to be the one fix for all issues concerning missing bars, whatever panel you are looking for. To fix it, all you need to do is to come over to the right portion over here and select this little arrow over here, this default fillet. Once you select it, you want to come down and select customize, and come down to this portion over here and select command bars. Now the next thing you want to do is to select the bars you want to restore. So I will select the menu bar, and you can see the menu bar restored. I will select the status bar. We have the status bar restored. I'm going to select the property bar. We have the property bar restored. I will select the toolbox. We have the toolbox restored. I'll select the standard bar. We have that restored. If you like, you can restore every single important bar over here, or maybe the only ones you need, and just hit reset and hit yes and hit OK. And that's it guys on how to restore missing bars in CorelDRAW. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.